by making a few little adjustments to your business, take home an extra 50% in net profit. I wanted to do a video called Fun with Numbers. Yes, marketing guy is talking numbers. And the reason I want to share this with you is because I want you thinking about something long and hard about how easy it is actually by making a few little adjustments to your business to take home an extra 50% in net profit. Yep, that's right, giving yourself a 50% raise by making a little adjustment to the dial as you do the business. As you see on the screen, that is the magic formula. Basically what it says is gross sales minus your expenses, and you want to keep your expenses no more than 80%, and when that happens, you have 20% net profit left over. But what does that really look like in numbers? Well, let me show you. For every $100,000 in sales, that means $80,000 is coming out for all the expenses of the business, which then leaves $20,000 left over as net profit. Now, let's make a slight little adjustment to our sales. What if we just raised our prices 10%? Just 10%. Raise your labor rate 10%, raise your parts 10%, get that top line number up only 10%. I'm not asking a lot here. Look what happens to your business, okay? By simply raising your prices, we don't have to get more cars. We're not looking for more work on the vehicles that are in there. It takes no more time for your technicians to get the jobs done. It doesn't take any more advertising to get more people in the door. We're working with your current business right now and simply charging 10% more. Let's look at what happens to your business now. Your expenses do not go up. Remember, no more advertising, no more work, nothing changes. All we're doing is keeping that same $80,000 is coming out of those sales. But now since they're coming out of $110,000, our expenses aren't at 80%. Now we're down to 73%. This is where it gets real interesting here. That 7% may not seem like a whole lot, but look what it does to your net profit. Before you made $20,000 in net profit, you're now making $30,000 net profit. Okay, their net profit isn't 20%. Now we've raised it up to 27%. But you might be thinking, but geez, we got to go through all that work and the hassle and mindset changes and the retraining and all that kind of thing to get our prices up 10%, only to make an extra 7%. We're going from 20% to 27%. Wrong. It's not only a 7% jump in your profits, it's a 50%. $20,000 to $30,000 is a 50% jump in money. Now, this money goes directly in your pockets simply by charging more for the services that you are charging right now. Very simple. Raise it 10%, take home 50% more money in your pocket. Hope this gives you something to think about when you get back to the office. Just simply make a couple adjustments to your management software, raise everything 10%, and take home 50% more. You're welcome. Hey guys, if you like this kind of content, please let me know about it. Like the video, comment below, ask some questions, and if you're watching this on YouTube, make sure you subscribe to the channel. That way you find all my future videos that I'll be posting. Thanks for watching.